Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
The experience was fantastic. I was eager to be part of season 3 because the story is bigger, it's meaner, it's more human is what I'm going to actually use the word. And human in terms of, like, you know, Aisha becomes somebody, and there's a lot happening through this season. And I've seen the first 2 seasons, and you know, it left me very confused because I was like, this is not for a normal audience. This is for an audience that watches, you know, who understands AI, who understands technology, and collaborated with. It's a great crossover between the human and the and a robot, you know. So all those who are interested in those kind of stories would be really fascinated to be a part of this world. There wasn't really too much of a preparation I did. My mom's a cop, so I've grown up in a space where I've seen my mother in a vardi. I've grown up in literally, like, my playground was a kotwali, and if you're from UP, you understand the word kotwali is a police station. I've seen my mother and my masis beat up goons, cops arresting people. I've seen, you know, prisoners inside jails. I've seen people pleading. So it's not a world that I'm not aware of. I'm very aware of this kind of a world. I've been part of this world since I was a child. So it wasn't like I had to really do any preparations specifically for this, except for that I had to multiply the magnitude of the character by 3 or 4 folds. And it's an investigative show. It has very interesting scenes, and there are 2-3 scenes which are independent of, you know, just setting the tone of the character. So yeah, I think I just followed what I've seen, and I just made it 3 or 4 folds higher. I have not shot with the other characters in the show. All my scenes are mostly with Raghu, and the track works with Raghu only. It is very interesting working with him. He's a very interesting actor. You know, his role also he's been part of season 1 and season 2, so he has it imbibed in him, you know. So it was really, like, fun to collaborate with him because I had a very different perception of Raghu. I thought Raghu will be a really strict sort of a person because one has a perception of him, you know, because you've seen him in roadies and you go like, oh my god, like, he must be, like, really, like, an angry person, or if I say something, ye pata nahi kuch gali wali de dega, pata nahi kya. तो बहुत ही सभ्य आदमी है, बहुत ही अच्छा बंदा है, and बहुत मजा आया उसके साथ काम करके. I don't know, maybe your job is going to be taken by a robot very soon. So hold on to your jobs. We are living in a world of artificial intelligence. In fact, I was just telling somebody that अगर आप अपने पास आपके आसपास हमेशा एक फ़ोन होता है, आपका फ़ोन आपकी सारी conversations सुन रहा है. So you know, your phone has its mic and you're being satellited by that. When you go somewhere, आपके Google Maps on होते हैं, it'll immediately ask you how was your experience in this place. So it's damn freaky, you know, that you're living in a world where you're being satellited by artificial intelligence every second. There is nothing that you do or you say that is not being heard. So mind it. Our jobs are going to be taken. Our lives are going to be revolving around artificial intelligence. And we're doing this to ourselves. So be careful. I'm extremely thrilled to be a part of Aisha Season 3. Do watch me as a part of a really interesting franchisee. It's going to be streaming from 4th March onwards on array.co.in, on the Array app and MX Player. Really excited to know your reactions. Thank you so much. Hi guys, this is Ahana Kumar and you're watching me on IWM Buzz.